Are you crazy busy? In this video, I'm going to give you 3 tips to get more done, even if you have less time or you don't have an increase in the hours in your day. Now, I know that I don't have time is the number one excuse to not starting a fitness program or not doing meal prep or, for any number of things. And while that excuse is legitimate, we're all very busy. The I don't have time excuse is not helping us get healthier. So in this video, like I said, I want to give you 3 tips to help you to, get healthier, get the things done that you need to take care of your health. The number one tip for me is that my attitude of when I wake up in the morning, and if I think of, oh my gosh, I have all these things to do in my day, if I start getting into the, oh man, I don't have time, I better hurry, I have this knot in my stomach and I have this feeling of scarcity where time is concerned. And it's just it's this layer of anxiety. As soon as I stopped the I don't have time attitude and I started the self-talk of I have time, I'm going to get it done, it will get done, it kind of flipped the switch for me. Because I look back on my life, and if you do the same, things always get done. The important things always get done. The groceries get bought, the laundry gets done. Maybe it doesn't get done today, but it gets done tomorrow. Like, the important things always get done. So in my head, I started thinking, you know what, things always get done. I need to stop this treadmill of I don't have time, because I just felt anxious all the time. I think it started when my kids were babies, and they weren't great sleepers, and then they would have a nap, and I'd be like, okay, I have 20 minutes, and I have this big list, and then I would just feel like I was running in circles trying to get stuff done while the kids napped. And so I know that is going back a long way, but I know that's just an example of how I felt anxiety over trying to get a lot of stuff done in a short amount of time. Well, I don't have napping babies anymore, but the lesson that I took from that is just changing my attitude to say, hey, things will get done. So when I wake up in the morning now and I think of my day, and I know you have a busy day as well, if you change that attitude and say, you know what, things will get done, there will be enough time. Things will get done. They always do. So change the mindset and the loop in your head. Things will get done. The second thing that really helps me, and I talked to a coaching client yesterday about this, is that she was having trouble getting organized in the day and just spinning her wheels. So I said, the night before, make your to-do list, but don't make it 20 deep. You can have it 20 deep, but star the first 3. Those are the things that you want to get done. And before you do anything, tackle the hardest thing first. Because a lot of times, that difficult phone call or something difficult, we kind of push off, and then it's the end of the day, and then we get mentally tired or physically exhausted and we can't get it done. So then it still stays on our list and rolls over to the next day, and it's that anxiety of it's never getting done. I didn't get it done. So find the hardest thing and do that first. So my 3 tips today are, number 1, change the mental loop in your head that I don't have time, and start telling yourself, I do have time. I can get it done. This will get done. So change the self-talk, and it sounds like, all fluff, but it really does change your attitude and ability to get things done. And, it's kind of like that self-fulfilling prophecy that if you say that you can't get it done, things will come in your way. You'll make that come true. So things will come in your way that will prevent you from getting the things done that you want. So don't create that self-fulfilling prophecy by saying, well, I'm not going to have time. and start the loop of, yes, I'll find time. This will get done. My workout will get done. My meal prep will get done. Find time to do, and specifically I'm always talking about healthy choices, but life is busy. Like sometimes the healthy choices are like, we just have to buy the groceries, because I could eat better if I had time to buy the groceries. So yes, you'll find the time to buy those groceries. So change the loop in your head. The second tip is the night before, create your to-do list and star 3 things and do the tough thing. The third tip is to try and get the tough thing done first when your energy is better. And those are my 3 tips today to getting more done, whether it's related to your health or just to your life in general. Have a great day, everybody. I hope you get lots done. I know you will, because we can.